Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goals on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to change the step goals on this smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. After you open the app, you should see the health page. On it, you should see this list of basically steps, calories, and walk time or training time, and you have goals next to them. Basically, you have some number out of some number. Tap on this panel. It will open the stats menu, and here you can check your stats through the day and the whole week. And if you want to change the goals, tap on the more options, tap on stats. It will open this menu, and here you can select steps and change the goal of steps by swiping up and down on the screen. You can also change the calories if you want to, and the moving. And once you're done, you can go back and the goals will be changed. If you go to your smartband, open the stats menu, you will see that the goals also changed, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you change the steps goals on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.